Alright, what's up with you guys? Market just opened right now. Um, uh, yeah, I'm gonna have to sign in, I think. Yeah, okay. We're still charting right now. Um, so yeah, yeah, we took out a bunch of draws last night. So right now we're in this hourly fair value gap. Seeing a push out. We're really close to um we have uh London lows here. Well, we already swept those technically, I guess. So then we also have these hourly lows right here, which we could be drawing towards that right now. Um, High time frame to the upside, like we don't have much, honestly, so probably leaning a little more towards shorts as of right now. Higher time frame, um, we if we close down here below here, we will be bearish on the 4 hour. On the hourly, we are bearish. So it's gotta keep that in mind. And yeah, honestly, that's kind of what we. Sorry, I was turning that light on. It's kind of what we gotta keep in mind here. But yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good morning. I know I am. Had a really nice walk this morning. It was like kind of chilly outside, but it felt like really good at the same time, so that was pretty cool. Um, yeah, so we had a big sell-off during London, so um, yeah, I mean, shoot, bro. So, um, but yeah, so let's see if we want to get a break on there. Let's see, higher time frame. We're also in this hourly gap as well. Um, is that a gap as well or no? It's a small one, I think. Anyway, on the 4 hour, we are bearish on the 4 hour on NASDAQ. Same thing with the hourly as well. My kitty is about to mess with everything. Hopefully not. She better not. Um, but yeah, and so that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Honestly, I just want to wait and see maybe if we'll inverse this 15-minute gap as well on NASDAQ. Same thing, ES wise. Um, just get confirmation that we're gonna respect that hourly gap to get a push lower. Kitty, kitty, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. But yeah, so right now, sorry, I just had to put her away real quick. Um, bro, I need to put my desk in my room or something so I can freaking um just have her out here so she can still have a bunch of room. But anyway, okay, so we're pushing up right now. So yeah, it's looking like okay. So let's see what we do off these highs. Off the 5 minute high. Um, we kind of have an imbalance of price range here. So we're low-key just kind of looking to see if we're okay. So we broke structure on the 15 minute to the upside on ES. We failed to do so on NASDAQ in the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, so I want to see if we will um either get a break of structure here to the upside. That's kind of what I'm waiting on, low key. Let's see what we do. Unless we want to come back down here and you know, but yeah, that's low key what I'm waiting for. Um, well, technically, I'm not even waiting on that. I'm just waiting to see if that happens. What the hell was that? What did I just click? Bro, what was that? Bro, no. The fuck did I just click? Oh, here we go. There we go. Um, but yeah, no. So, cause right now, like, bullish on the 15 minute on ES. Um, same thing for NAS. So bullish 15 minute. High time frame though, we are bearish. I want to see us be able to get confirmation that we are in this gap, and if we want to push lower out of it, um, because we have this 4 hour low here that we kind of got close to sweeping, but we are a little overextended and we took out some draws in liquidity already. So we got to keep that in mind as well. We're also in a daily gap right now. So this is gonna be a toughie. This is gonna be a toughie because yeah, bro. Because we're in a daily gap. Hmm, we're in a daily gap. What happens when we're in a daily gap? Daily bearish gap. Last time we did that, we got a push out back April 2nd. Especially when we're at okay, so that uh, Sorry, I'm trying to text my mom right now. Tell her something before she leaves for work. Okay, cool. She got it. Um, Sorry about that. Okay, so 5 minute. Okay, so we didn't really do much. Um, okay, so we inversed this 1 minute pretty nicely, and we've been kind of pushing up since. So right now we're filling this hourly. Now, if we All right, sorry about that. Just being loud as shit. To be honest, it's all good. Bro, okay, so right now, bro, like, it's hard for me to say what I'm trying to do because of this hourly that we're in. Or it's not hard, because I don't want us to just respect this and then, but right now, if we close here, we are bullish on each index. So then at this point, we're kind of just waiting for a retrace. And we just got to get confirmation and see if there is a small imbalance here. So that could honestly be one of our targets potentially. It's just 15 minutes, like, mm, it's just like I think we need to get some manipulation here going on because, like, no, yes. Okay, there's no gap on ES. So No gap on ES. Need that. Okay. I see. Head. Dang, bro, my stomach low key hurts, bro. My stomach low key hurts. Can close that out. Oh yeah, I need to sign in real quick. So I'm gonna turn that off for a second. All right. So what the fuck? What the hell? That shit is ain't working, bro. Why isn't Lucid working? Well, that's really unfortunate. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be able to, I mean, I can't sign in. That sucks. I mean, I'm not able to, Lucid isn't working. It's genuinely not even working. That's insane. Well, that freaking sucks. Um, sure. Bro, that blows, cause yeah, dude, now I can't even, not even able to freaking enter a trade now, cause I can't sign in. That's annoying. Bro, yeah, literally can't sign in. Bro, yeah. Bro, that sucks. Holy shit. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I can't. I mean, brother, this, cause yeah, a 1 minute break to the downside would technically be a 5 minute retrace for me. But like, I want this shit to, I want it to like, like, uh, bro, why is lucid down? Genuinely, genuinely, I can't log in. Well, yeah, sorry, I was trying to look this shit up on TikTok um, to see if, you know, someone was, that's so annoying. Alright, so we didn't inverse that gap. Oh shit, I forgot, it's off. We did not inverse this gap. Mm, yeah, we're currently respecting this gap. Yeah, yeah, bro. This shit's kind of looking good for shorts right now. I want to see us just come come back up here a little bit and flood this bitch. But I'm not even gonna be able to enter, I don't think. If we even see an entry because Lucid is down right now. So I can't even not even able to enter, bro. Not even able to enter right now. So we're obviously respecting this hourly gap right now. That's the reason I want to short. So if we get confirmation, if we like shorts will definitely play out, especially if we get confirmation, we come back into this 5 minute gap maybe, or even on the 1 minute, I mean, maybe we put in a new high, at least break structure on the 1 minute. But ideally, I want to see us, if we can start moving up now, I want to see us move into this area and then get an inverse gap somewhere in here or something. Clean inverse, boom. And then that's what I want to see happen. And then that's when we target lows and this low here. And potentially even this low, but I doubt we move that much. But for sure this low and maybe this low. But I'm kind of pissed. So but inverse this 1 minute gap. I want to see us inverse this 1 minute gap as well on ES. Already did on NAS, so but this sucks. I'm not able to enter, bro. Oh my god, shitty ass website, brother. Like what? I forgot that I wasn't. Alright, this is exactly what I said was gonna happen. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. See. We'll see. We'll see. Nas went up way more than ES though, so. Damn, bro. It's just. I'd like to see us maybe go up a little more, but Nas. think if you're signed in, you should be chilling. Hey, well, that's kind of unfortunate, broski. I'm gonna be real. Okay, so we inverse that first gap. Yeah, so I would be getting ready to enter shorts here. Mm, protected there. Oh, dude, this is such a good risk reward trade too. That sucks, bro. All right, so technically I wouldn't be in yet, but mm, this may want to go a little higher before low key, low key. Bro, we're just chopping, my boy. Chopping wood. We respected this 5 minute though, yeah, so I like this. It's honestly looks good. Um, this looks pretty solid to be honest. Uh, literally just kind of waiting for just 1 minute confirmation, really. But um, yeah, bro. That's really all I'm waiting on, but good. Oh, oh, damn, bro. If we break here, this technically just invalidates like the whole trade, and this would mean that we're technically probably trying to go higher. That's the thing. That could totally invalidate everything. We just got 1 minute break. Yeah, that could that if we, bro, yeah, that literally just invalidates the trade right now. Not even kidding you. Not even kidding. Mm. Yeah, and if we inverse this 5 minute gap now too, because we were respecting it, but this is why we wait. This is why we wait. Well, it's not like I can enter anyways, but guess I can enter on my small live. Fuck that. Fuck it. Mm, probably enter on um what's closer. Nah. Hey, I mean, we might just get a break here on NAS and inverse this gap on ES, and hey, then we're gonna. I mean, we're closer on ES, so where the fuck is the Tuesday? Okay. Technically is sorry, I'm looking at my chart on Trade Locker. Mm, Bro, I mean, it would be correct too long after we invalidated the trade there. Um, but I guess, wait to see if we inverse this gap. I don't know. That'll put us in a big kind of predicament, especially because we inverse this gap as well on ES. Plus, got the break of structure on the 5 minute. Like, okay, we didn't on NAS. Did we on ES? No. Okay. Shit, bro. Shit, bro. I mean, bro, it's in such a big predicament, man. Honestly. 'Cause we're still in this. I don't love it, man. I don't love it. I just don't. I don't love it, man. I don't love it. Hey, 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 kind of moving shitty. No need to enter. Yeah, I was just looking at Trade Locker on my phone since I can't even enter on anything else. If I was wanting to enter, which, like, I mean, this was what we needed. if we could have entered off this break here, honestly. Honestly. Shit, I guess we just paper it. I guess we just paper trade this bitch. If we're trying to get in. Uh, oh man, excuse me, brother. I don't really like anything right now, to be honest. I'm gonna be so real. I'm not like, bro, we aren't moving. Asia, we freaking sold off like fucking crazy. So it's like, yeah, obviously, like we're just literally chopping around in this range right now. So not much we can do. To be frank with you, to be frank, to be to keep it a buck. Uh, so I was on. Well, anyway, I don't really know what is closer to. So ES is closer. Um, we just inverse this gap cleanly. So, if I was gonna enter a trade, which I'm not, I don't even think I would even feel like risking on this shitty price action. But we just had a clean inverse. Like, I think I'd want me. Yeah, I don't even think would even take a trade. So it's honestly fine that it that Lucid's down right now because I'm not really seeing anything I gotta take. Not really, to be honest. Literally been hesitating on this gap the whole entire day. As soon as we close below this, we potentially could flood down, but also the way this is moving. Shit, 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 shitty. So, like, this is horrendous right here. Freaking horrendous. Uh, bro, this crap's honestly making me tired, dude. Just looking at this. Mm. Like I said, bruh, really? Had to load that candle back. Alright. Boom. Okay, so 4 seconds left. Yeah, this would be the time that I'd short. Probably above that high. Give or take. I don't know. Maybe something along these lines. 2 to 1. Uh, we didn't break. Yeah, see, like even if I was actually risking, I don't even think I would take this shit. Like, I want to see ES break, but nah, I mean, this shit's smoked. And shit, I'd probably take it on ES actually, because ES is way closer, low key. So, What time did I put that on there? I think it was right there. So around that area. On ES because we're closer, I think. I genuinely, honestly, like, I can't really tell which one's closer, so either way, whatever. Uh, wow. Equal lows on ES. We struggling right now. Look at this. Like, struggling, bro. Struggling. Technically, this would be like a 5 minute retrace, I guess, right now. Uh, well, on NAS anyway. I think, because, yeah, we broke retracing. So ideally, we either wouldn't want to come up here or we don't want to inverse this gap. And if we do that, then the whole trade is invalidated. So, or not the whole trade, but then like my trade idea kind of technically would be invalidated. This shit is so ugly though. Like, oh my god. This might be some of the. Okay, so that pushed it lower. That pushed it lower, which is good in a sense. Now there's a little 1 minute gap there. Let's see what it does off that. Now that's pushing it up. Yeah, bro, like, it's kind of a crappy day. Bro, like, this is so ugly. Holy shit. Look at this, bro. Yeah, I don't need to trade this anyway, so that's fine. That is fine. I do not mind. Ugh. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't have even just taken it. I wouldn't even have taken a trade yet, to be honest. So I'm kind of glad that it was down though, just because like it saved me from taking a stupid trade, obviously, you know. So the Lord has come. Ba, ba, da, ba, 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 da, bum. So we already hit a 1-to-1. I'd probably move my shit to break even now if I was in the trade. But no, I told y'all like if we, if we break past this shit, like if we break past this shit, it's kind of what we're gonna do. So, and then this is when I said too, this gap is crucial here. If it, this will invalidate the trade if it inverses it, but then we hesitated and respected it. So, yeah. Sir, yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Hmm. Here comes the bird. What up, smack? I think. No way. Now Lucid wants to work. Shut the fuck up. Shut the hell up. Wow, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. That's freaking wild. That's freaking wild. Wow. That's wild as shit. Shit, bro. That's insane, bro. Genuinely insane. Now it works. Now it wants to work. Fucking insane. Freaking insane, bro. Bro, it didn't sign in, really? Holy shit. Alright, we're No way. All right, I got signed in. I got signed in. Not on my or on my one on my other one. Bro, hold up. This this might be able to this might be able to get me an entry. Dead ass. Bro, that's crazy. Lucid literally just let me sign in now. I took a trade on my other account during Asia yesterday. So to stay within consistency, I can't really trade on the other one. So, but this one I can. And I'm like, broski, this might uh, bro, this is crazy. I'm pretty sure we have, yeah, this is a new day opening gap, I think. Or new session or whatever opening gap. Hey, good thing, good thing I didn't enter yet. Good thing I didn't enter yet, bro. I'm not even trying to chase this, but I stayed on here so long. I want to be able to get a trade, or not like get a trade, but like we're so close here, like it's almost obvious in a way. So we have like that, get that freaking, yeah, bro. I like this. We just need to see some confirmation here. Holy shit. All right. Damn, that might be the worst fill ever. What the fudge, bruh? That might be the worst fill ever, gang. That possibly could be the worst fill I think I've ever seen. Genuinely. Um, that's it's like the worst fill I think I've ever seen. I'm gonna be so real. It is what it is though, whatever. Alright. Freaking crazy, bruh. Freaking crazy. Uh, um, alright. And then for such a bad fill, man. Is what it is though. That's just frustrating, honestly. Cause right when we hit this shit, um, going break even. Okay. I'm break even now. I need this just to be 3. we'll see what happens with this. I mean, might hit my. Hold up. Okay. If I cancel this, it won't get me out of the trade, right? Because I have to click that. Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. There we go. All right. We're in. So I need a buy limit. Where's the bottom of the gap? Oh, we'll do. Mm, uh, I mean, I think we should just full close there, huh? What y'all think? We could go all the way to the bottom of the gap, but I mean, I don't want to be too greedy, so I think that's chill, to be honest. Bro, that's crazy how lucid, like, that shit was mad weird, bro. Oh shit. Holy shit. That's crazy. Holy shit. Yeah, we're chilling though. I mean, I ain't tripping about it. All right, well, that's gonna end it for me here, boys. But yeah, this is y'all know my position, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, love and appreciate y'all, boys. Peace.